Hey guys, hope you got 10 minutes and you got a cup of coffee. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Do you have that cup yet? Hey, that's a good coffee cup right there. So what I want you to do is go on that link right above here, click on that. You can order all kinds of coffee cups with all kinds of different pictures on them. So check that out, and let's check out this next video. Well guys, what we're going to try to do today is put the trailer in here. Then I'll show you what we're going to do on the trailer. But I got to back the truck out, and I got to see if I can figure out a way to get the trailer back in here, because I can't back it in. I don't think I can turn it around in here. Why no I can't? Well, I don't know. Well, trial by error. What do you say? Get the truck fired up. Let's go grab what we need and go from there. No need to show you this in real speed because it took a long time. Even to open the garage door took more time than you need to spend on this video. But started that old girl up and backed her up to the trailer here. And I did do that in one shot. Not quite this fast. Well, we got the camera on there, so it's pretty easy. You back right up to it. But the thing is, once I got it all hooked up, I forgot one thing. Notice? Yeah, I had to stop and take those off. Then on over here to park. I built this trailer, and it seems like I built it right, because it sure is easy to move around once I get it unhooked there. What do you think? Easy sleazy. Easy sleazy. Alright, let's get this. Yeah. There we go. Woo-wee. Yeah, we're going to just take you this way. All right. Well, you see me back it in. Now let me show you what I'm going to do. Okay, follow me. I was trying to get the pickup in here too. It just ain't both going to fit. Because I need to do some cutting and welding back here. What we're going to do is we're going to get rid of all of this. This is all coming off, and we're going to move that down to here. I'm going to weld that right on there. That way this brings this whole thing down, so I'm not got a lip to jump off when I'm putting the bike on there. But let's first thing I got to do is I got to take the hinges off. So we'll start there, okay? Hey guys, I need for you to bear with me when I call out your names up here. This is Big Dog from Winnipeg up there in Canada. Okay, I made a mistake the other day, and I called this guy G Ray instead of R Gray. Well, it's because once they get way up there, guys, if I don't have this thing on them, I can't see them. I have bifocals, you know. And if you ever tried reading bifocals when something's pointing up like that, it don't work well. So I apologize, but here you guys are. You're all on here. Don't forget about Miss Jones up there. She was kind of brand new. We got her. This is going to be an update. We got, she's from Puyallup. then we got Dean there from, I think he's from Spokane. We got Dale up there. These guys sent me that GoPro. Then we got Augie all the way down here in California. He's the only one in California that likes me, I guess. Then we got, let's jump over here to Texas. We got Lone Star hangs his hat in that area there. We got Les right there. Lex. And we got Dave, you know, Simply Dave. And next to Simply Dave, that's where our Gray lives in Holt, Missouri. Then we got Charlie up there. We got Tony over there. He follows me on every channel and great guy, him and Kathy both. Then we got Bill here. Whatever that says, I can't read it like I said. We got Bill. We got Mr. McStash, great channel there if you haven't followed him already. We got Brian. We got Kevin. Oh, we forgot Cruiser up here. Yep, he's in Canada. What was he in? White. Can you read that, guys? I gotta hold the phone up there. Moose Jaw. Then we got ZZ right there. We got Mike B right there. We got Shane. He's the guy who gave me, I'm pretty sure that's the Shane that gave me the cross that I have had on my belt loop ever since he gave that to me. We got Frosty down here. He's down here in Florida. Then we got Mr. G. What a great channel that is. If he puts any videos on. I think you found out it's a lot of work, didn't you, Mr. G? We got Black Widow right there. We got, what does that say? I can't read it. Oh, we got Jan and Larry right there. We got up here in, where the heck is New Jersey? Oh, right there. Yeah, we got Nomad there and there. Did we miss anybody? Did I miss anybody? I don't think I did this time. Anyway, I'm going to post this on here right now because I told Big Dog I would. Well, good morning. As the thing said, this is another day. It's only, what's up to 50 degrees in the shop now, but I'm thinking I'm going to need to clean that window because I can't see out of it. So anyway, we're going to get on to this, and what we're going to do is these are, I showed you these. I made these. These are just holding this tailgate up. So you just push that out like that, drop it down, just like on an old pickup truck. Got one on each side. What we got to do is figure out how to get all this off. That hinge, and that hinge without this falling on me because it's heavy. So we're going to set it down. I'm going to high speed you through some stuff. I'm going to clean out some of the boards in there so I can get it down. And we'll go from there. Hang in here. Let's see what we can do. Very heavy. Okay, we're going to get this off of here. This was the little thing to try to do it. I'll show you what that looks like. But I'm going to get this board up and out of here, get it out of the way. All right, have we... Let's get this. Good old board that is. That's a good board. Okay. Well, it didn't look like it took long to get that board out of there, did it? But it did. It was bolted in. I forgot I did it right. Now then, this is, I got to take that off, but now you can see what I'm talking about, a lip. It's just enough that when my tire's down there, the rear tire head down there, and the front tire up here, my frame hits it. So we got to level it. All I got to do is figure out how to do that. Got a couple ideas, but I'm going to just tear it apart right now, then we'll weld on these little ears. Then we're going to go down here. Got to grind that off. Weld them down to here, and then we'll take that gate off. But we're going to take that off right now. Well, we got this ground off, and now we got it even with this one. Then we're going to spot weld that on there. I might just go ahead and weld it because I know that's where it's going to go. Then this hole here will match up with this hole, and that'll be the pivot point. That should work. Let's find out. Well, they're not pretty welds, but they're definitely going to hold it on. And that's all I care about right now, is hold the thing on. Later on, if I want to, and I feel like I need, I just drill through there and put a bolt in there. But now, we got to figure out how to take this thing off. Woo-wee, that's heavy too. I left my cherry picker over at my nephew's house because he uses it more than me, but boy, sometimes I need it. Oh well, we'll figure it out. Stay tuned. Well, the smoke cleared out, so I shut the door. Hopefully I don't regret it later. Okay, you seen this? We had the tabs on there. Now what I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut that off right there, because I'm never going to use that hinge again. So I'm going to trim that off there and there, and then it'll lay on my jack stands, and I don't have to lift the son of a gun. I like that idea. Let's see if it works. Well, you're going to get a little chipmunk effect here from me chattering. High speed, I mean, this was a whole day of doing this. I've cut most of it out, but I left some of it in here and just did a little high speed on you. Hey, the reason why I had to pull it in is because the welder's back there. I couldn't back it in. I definitely didn't want to leave it outside because it's supposed to be down to 17 degrees tomorrow. So we whacked off all these hinges here and then cleaned them up. Then I was able to unbolt them, as you will see. But this is going to be a two-part video for sure. Looks like this first one's going to be about 18 minutes long. Yeah, I got smoky again. I had to lift up the door. It's only 20-something out there, so it cools off the shop pretty quickly. But we got that off. That's all off right there. So all I got to do is take off the rest of the hinge right there. You can see that. Take that off with them 3 bolts all the way across. And if I had a plasma cutter, which a friend of mine is going to give me one. Ha! Can you beat that? He's going to give me one, but it needs fixed. It's like everything else. People give me their broke stuff. I just fix it and it works like new. So let's see if we can get that off of there now. See what happens. We got plenty of okay. Now, I didn't show you me getting down and up because it's hard. When you can't get up on your knees, you just can't. It's hard to get up and down. So I didn't show you that stuff. Right there, I'm unbolting those hinges. I cut off the top part. Now I unbolted that. And then we're going to figure out a way that I don't have to lift that tailgate back up into place. Well, we got the old hinges off. Now, this is what I figured out I'm going to do to get that lifted up so I don't have to lift it. That's work smarter, guys. Work smarter. So now I just got to push that back here, line it up, and put the bolts in. Well, anyway, that's the plan. Let's see if it works. Ah, boy. Let's see what we got. Okay. You want to twist it that way, yeah. Okay, let's twist it this way. What we got? Oh, okay. A little more. A little more. She's take it up a little. Take it up a little this way. And it works. Right there, guys. Let's see if she works. Hey, there we go. Right there. Woo! Okay. Come on. That one's good. Okay. Well, got the bolts in both sides. Now I'm going to fold that thing up and I'm going to call it a day. It may not look long on this video, but it's been a long day. So let's just aim this right here for you so you can see if she works. There we go. Let's see if she works. Okay. Holy smokes. She does work. Leans in too far, but that ain't no big deal. All right, you can't see that real good, so I'm going to move this here. She leans in quite a bit, as you can see. But that's okay, because all of this is going to be rebuilt tomorrow or the next day. I've done enough for today. So we're going to just stick that through there so it don't fall and hit somebody. Just like that. And call out a day. I'm going to shut the doors. Well, that's it for now.